Stay Grubionama children, welcome to online class.
Exercise 13.5 first question. A matchbox measures 4 cm, 2.5 cm, 1.5 cm. What will be the volume of pack containing 12 such boxes? Here what is given? A matchbox measurement is given. So but question they ask what is the volume of 12 such boxes we have to find. First we have to find out volume of one matchbox. So the matchbox is look like a cuboid. Length, breadth, height is given. First we have to find out volume of a matchbox. So what's the formula? Volume of cuboid equal to length into breadth into height. That is given 4 cm into 2.5 cm into 1.5 cm. So first you have to multiply it. 4, let us you take 25. 4 into 25 we know that 100. But after one decimal we have to put the point. So we'll remove. So again we have to multiply 1.5. So 10 into 1.5 we will get 50. So volume means cubic units. So centimeter cube. So now I got volume of a matchboxes. But question they ask volume of 12 such boxes. So we have to find out volume of 12 matchboxes. Then volume of one match we got 50. So here they ask 12. So here we have to multiply by 12. So 50 into 12. By 2s are 10, remaining 1, 1 2s are 2 plus 1 3, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 5, 0, 8, 1. So 180 centimeter cube. Therefore volume of 12 matchboxes is 180 centimeter cube. Sum number 2. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? The water tank is look like a cuboid. Length, breadth, height is given. So what is length? 6 meter. And wide means breadth, 5 meter. Then height is 34.5 meter. But question, how many liters of water can hold? First we have to find out what is the volume of this water tank. Volume of water tank equal to, so it is a cuboid shape. What is the volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height. So L into B into H. That is equal to length 6 meter, then breadth is 5 meter, then height is 4.5 meter. We have to multiply this one. 6 5s are 30. 30 into 4.5. Let us you take 45, 3. 3 5s are 15, remaining 1, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1, 30. So 135. Here 1 0 is there, 0. After one decimal we have to remove this one. So 135 meter cube we got. So volume of the water tank is 135 meter cube. But question they ask how many liters of water can it hold? But we know that formula 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. But here how many meter cube we have? 135. Therefore volume of water it can hold equal to 135 into 1000. That is equal to for 135 we have to add 30. So you will get 1,35,000 liter. Therefore the capacity of the tank is 1,35,000 liter. Sum number 3. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meters of liquid? A cuboidal vessel. This is one of the cuboidal vessel. 10 meter long. This is 10 meter long. Then 8 meter wide, that is breadth, 8 meter wide. How high must it be made hold? 380 cubic meter. So the capacity of the cuboidal vessel is given 380 meter cube. They ask how high means height we don't know. I'm going to take h. So I'm going to consider that the height of the cuboidal vessel be h meter. In the cuboidal vessel, capacity is given, that is volume is given. So volume of cuboid, because it look length, breadth, height is given, it is a cuboid only. So cuboid, we know that formula LBH. That cuboid is, volume of cuboid is given. What is that one? 380. That is equal to length is 10, breadth is 8, height we don't know. That only we have to find out. Therefore H is equal to 380 by 10 into 8. Here 0, 0 will cancel. I am using 2 table 4 times. Here 1 2s are 2, 9 2s are 18. So we have to convert it into a decimal. 19 divided by 4. Here 4 4s are 16. Remaining 3. We have to put point and 1 0. 7 4s are 28. Remaining 2. Again 1 more 0. 5 4s are 20. So here remainder 0. So height is equal to 4.75 meter. Therefore, the height of the cuboidal vessel is, therefore, height of the cuboidal vessel is 4.75 meter.
Sum number 5. The capacity of the cuboidal tank is 50,000 liters of water. Find the breadth of the tank if its length and depth are respectively 2.5 meters and 10 meters. So what is given first? The capacity of the tank is given, that is 50,000 liters. So they ask find the breadth of the tank. So we have to find out what is the breadth of this tank. Its length and depth. Length means long, that is 2.5 meters. Depth means height, that is 10 meters. So I don't know what is the breadth of this tank. So I am going to say let the breadth of tank be meter. But the capacity of the tank is given is liter. So we have to write capacity of tank equal to 50,000 liters. But length and breadth is given in, length and height is given meter. But the capacity of the tank is given liter. So we have to convert it into a meter. We know the formula 1000 liter equal to 1 meter cube. Here how many 1000 is given? Liter is given 50,000 liter equal to 50,000 by 1000. We cancel 3 zeros, that is equal to 50 meter cube. Therefore 50,000 liter, that is equal to what? 50 meter cube. So volume of tank. So why I am taking volume of tank here? If capacity is given, we can take liter. But if you are taking volume, that is meter cube, because 50 meter cube we have. So volume of tank, what's the formula? That is a cuboid. What is the volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height. That is equal to 50 meter cube. So what is length is given? 2.5. Breadth we don't know. Height is given 10. That is equal to 50. So 2.5 into 10, that is equal to what? 25. 25 into V equal to 50. equal to 50 by 25. If I use 25 tape directly, will come 2 times. So B equal to 2 meter. Therefore, breadth of the tank is 2 meter.
Sum number 6. A village having a population 4,000 requires 150 liters of water per day per head. It has a tank measuring 20 meter, 15 meter, 6 meter. For how many days will the water of this tank last? So what is the population of this village? 4,000. What are the requirements of water per head per day? 150. First we have to find out what are the requirements of water for 4,000 people. So you have to write requirement of water per head per day. That is equal to 150 liter. So here requirement of water. How many people are here? 4,000 people. So 4,000 people per head, that is equal to 4,000 into 150. So you have to multiply 4 into 15, that is equal to 60. Remaining how many zeros? 4 zeros, you can add directly. So 6 lakh liters water requirements of 4,000 people. So here but tank measurement is given. What is the tank measurement is given? 20 meter, 15 meter, 6 meter. So we have to find out what is the capacity of the tank. Capacity of the tank equal to length into breadth into height. What is length, breadth, height is given? 20 meter into 15 meter into 6 meter. So 20 into 50, 300 into 6, 1800 meter cube. But the requirements of water of 4,000 people, 6 lakh liter is given, but this is meter cube is given. Capacity means you can convert it into a liter. We know that 1 meter cube equal to 1000 liter. Here how many meter cubes are there? 1800 meter cube equal to 1800 into 1000. That is equal to for 18, then remaining you can add 5 zeros directly. So that is equal to for 18 lakhs liter. But question, what question they ask? Number of people, sorry, number of days. Therefore we have to find out. Therefore number of days for which the water of this tank lost, that is equal to capacity of tank by that person's 4,000 people per day, that also you have to do. So 18 lakh by 6 lakh. If I cancel 5 zeros in both numerator and denominator, I will get 18 by 6. If I cancel by 6 table, 3. So how many days of the water for this tank is lost? 3 days. Sum number 8. A solid cube of size 12 cm is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. What will be the side of new cube? Also find the ratio between their surface areas. This is one of the solid cube. The side is given 12 cm. From in this solid cube, they are cutting 8 cubes of equal volume. So what is the side of the new cube? I don't know the side of new cube side. So I am going to take, let the side of new cube be x centimeter. Volume of solid cube. So volume of solid cube, that is equal to, from that solid cube how many cubes are cutting? 8. 8 into equal volume. So volume will not change. So 8 into volume of new cube. So what is the volume of cube formula? We know that is A cube equal to 8 into volume of new cube. That new cube side I consider x, therefore x cube. So A cube, what is A here? That is 12. So 12 cube equal to, that A can be written as 2 cube, x cube. Therefore 12 cube equal to 2x the whole cube. So 3 will cancel. 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12 by 2. Then x is equal to 6. Now the side of new cube equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, side of new cube is 6 centimeter. They ask one more question. Find the ratio between their surface areas. They ask ratio. So, ratio between the two surface areas. Surface area of solid cube by surface area of new cube. What is the surface area of cube formula? 6a square by surface area of new cube 6x square, because here I consider side is x. 6 will cancel. 12 square by 6 square. The 12 square can be written as 12 into 12 by 6 square can be written as 6 into 6. So if I am going to cancel 2 times, again 2 times. Next one 4 by 1. They ask ratio. So what is the ratio between their surface areas? 4:1. Sum number 9. A river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? A river 3 meter deep. Deep here represent, that is for height, that is 3 meter, and wide 40 meter. Wide here represent, that is breadth. So 40 meter is flowing at the rate of 2 km per hour. This is a flowing of water, that is represent L. That is 2 km. Question: how much water will fall into the sea in a minute? They ask. First you write what is given. Height. Deep means height, which is equal to 3 meter. Breadth, that is 40 meter. That L is equal to 2 km. Now you check. Height and breadth is given meter, but length is given kilometer. So you should convert it into a meter. We know that 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Therefore 2 kilometer equal to 2000 meter. Right? 2 kilometer equal to 2000 meter. So, but question: how much water will fall into a minute? First I am going to find out water fall into the sea in 1 hour. I am going to find out first 1 hour. That is equal to for length into breadth into height. Then length is 2000, breadth is 40, then height is 3. So question they ask a minute only, no? Therefore water fall into the sea in a minute. That is equal to 2000 into 40 into 3. So a minute. 1 hour, we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So I am going to divide by 60 minutes. So 0 cancel. If I use 3 table, 2 times will come. So again using 2 table 1000 will come. So next step, therefore 1000 into 4, 4000 meter cube. Therefore water fall into the sea in a minute 4000 meter cube.